Hello everyone, today we're reviewing a Pardot landing page template that I got done creating this afternoon. And this Pardot template is available at dribbly.com. And this particular template is very minimalistic in design. It includes a placeholder logo, so you could put your company logo there. It also features a call to action here, so get more conversions. And additionally, this vertical form also has some further call to action at the top, and it also has some social icons to keep your customers connected in that way. And then also down at the bottom we have a couple of blurbs just describing the finite details of your product. And then also again I've added some social icons. Additionally, I have the first name field, the email field, the phone number field, and we also have a title field. So this template will work with all of your forms. And additionally, there's this large text area, and then also the radio buttons and checks are also included in here. This is just a very performance-based driven template, and I hope that you all can join us at dribbly.com. My name is Cynthia Rajendran, and I am the founder of dribbly.com. Dribbly is a consulting firm that focuses on all things Salesforce and Pardot related. If you have any questions about this landing page or would like us to customize your landing page, please email support@dribbly.com, and we look forward to it. Thank you. Bye.